Yo, what's going on YouTube? CJ Brand. We're back with a brand new video for you guys once again. And to go ahead and top off day 2 for our Vlogmas, December the 15th, today we're actually going to be unboxing another pair of JVC's headphones. If you guys watched the previous video, I did say we were unboxing, the JVC Gumy True Wireless Minis, but today we're going to be unboxing the parents of the minis. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel, throw a like down below, and go ahead and comment on the video after you're done watching. But other than that, let's go ahead and get straight into the unboxing. All right, you guys, so of course, once again, we actually don't need the knife at all. We can just go ahead and simply, take this thing right out the thing. I hope so this time as well. Hopefully JVC doesn't play us on here also like they did the Gumy. I still don't know if these things are gummies or goomies, but we're gonna actually just rip this box open. We don't got time to play with it because last time we was playing with it for a minute. So let's go ahead and just rip this thing open. All right, cool. Jeez, so it's more stuff in this box than it was definitely in the the previous box for sure. So of course we got us some more documentation as well inside of the packaging and whatever, the fun stuff, I guess. Let's go ahead and put that to the side, and then we also got us another wire in here. And it looks, okay. So instead of this being charged USB-C, it looks like this is going to be charged with the standard Android charger port. I honestly don't remember what this port is called, but I know this is USB-A. I hope so, unless I'm tripping as well. Anyway, but yeah, I keep forgetting what this part is. I'll just call it just a straight up standard, this is a standard piece for Android charger, the old Android phones, I should say. Anyway, let's go ahead and proceed with the video. So we got the headphones. Same coverage, same little packaging as it was last time. Just a piece of little paper with some tape to hold it together. But other than that, we got the headphones right out. Let's go ahead and put all the trash up right quick. Get all that good stuff out the way. All right. Cool. So we got the headphones out. This right here is going to be the JVC. Like I said, this is the parent brand of it. And the reason I call it the parent because it's bigger than, the mini. Basically, anyway, so some good things about this headphone set that's also following along from the mini to this one, or either I could really say the parent version to the mini, is that it is going to be IP4 rainproof and sweatproof as well. So therefore you can wear this, if you are exercising or any good thing like that. You also have voice assistant, so it does have a nice microphone in it. However, I may or may not be able to test it out. It just depends. So that's one thing as well. Now, one thing I did forget to mention in the previous video with the minis is that both headsets actually have 15 hours of battery life. So with that being said, that's going to be up to 6 or either 9 hours of battery life out of the case, and then the rest of the hours is going to be shut up inside the case. I mean, as in, this case right here will be able to charge for the remainder of the power wattage. So that's a good thing about that as well. Some other great things as well, and I'm so sorry, I'm reading off the box just because I have so much stuff. I got videos planned. Everything is like hello. So I'm looking over here, looking at the box, just reading off of here and everything. My apologies. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to the design of this right here. We'll go ahead and bring over the minis as well and compare those minis to the parent brand as well, because I want to see how big of a difference it really is, if there even is a difference, I should say. So there's a difference. So if you guys can go ahead and see, here go the parent brand of the JVC headphones. These are the much wider versions of them. Like the minis, they were the smaller version, but this right here is like a straight up standard headphone. Now it still does have the same exact tip that the mini does have, so of course it's going to bring that same design. Let me go ahead and bring that in a little closer for you guys. So that's going to have that same exact little design, but it comes with this little piece at the bottom now. So, and that's why I was like, oh, in the previous, I'm like, these are the pros, because just because they had that right there. Anyway, but yeah, the gist right there. So those are the two headphones, and then the case oh god, bro, I always drop them. I'm serious. I don't drop the minis, now I'm dropping the big ones. ridiculous. So it looks like the disc right here is going to be charged by the stem instead. On the minis, it was actually charged by this piece, like the headphone jack itself, but now it looks like it's going to be charged via the stem. So that's, I guess it's okay. The case is very wide as well. It looks like a P. To me, it is you know, quite similar to the iPhone Pro's the Apple Pro wireless, you know, Apple. Oh my God, what am I trying to say? Oh my God, what the hell am I trying to say? The Apple AirPod Pro headphone case. That's what it kind of, you know, it reminds me of. I don't know why I was tripping off that, but anyway, yeah, man, that's that right there. So you already know exactly what we're gonna do next. Let's go ahead and get them open, you know, to the phone, test them out, and I'm gonna actually compare them, you know, to the minis and everything. Just want to see if these are better than the minis, which I hope they are, but who knows. And another thing as well I forgot to mention in other videos as well, because I didn't find out till later, is that on the back of this headphone is actually the button that you can turn it on. You do have to turn on both of them yourself. So what you do is this, you basically just hold this button down, and we should have like a little LED come somewhere. If not, then let me take the white pieces off right. There we go again. I'm gonna break these before I can even get the video done. That is ridiculous. So let me go ahead and try to turn it on right quick. Okay, cool. So I was right. So it's on the back of it instead of the front. Like the minis were on the back. This one, it was okay. I'm like, this one was on, but yeah. So I'm gonna go grab my phone real quick. We're gonna plug it up and we're gonna test the volume out on the parents, guys. So we went ahead and tested out the quality of the JVC parent version of the minis. I don't know, I gotta keep calling them parent. I can't call them anything else. I don't want to call them the JVC True Wireless Gumy or Gumy Tall version at all, but I tested them out, and honestly, if I could be honest with you guys, the sound quality sounds the same. I could be tripping. Maybe I need to put one in and one out, but they sound the same to me. The bass is very low. The sound now these right here, the longer version, the parent version, they are louder for sure. No matter, that's facts. They are louder than the minis for sure. But the bass is not there in either product. So once again, I would have to say the same exact review that I gave for for the minis, is that these are more beginner headphones. These are something that I don't have the money to purchase the Apple AirPods or either the Google or either the Samsung wireless earbuds at all. So I'm gonna go to purchase JVCs. These are only $30 as well. So I guess you still get you get the design, and then you get the wireless portion of it for $30 right there. But the sound quality is what is lacking the most out of this product. So I mean, I don't blame them. I wouldn't put that much effort at all into this product either. Now, you just gotta see it through, man. That's all I can tell you. You just gotta see it through, and I can't see these through. I absolutely cannot wear these more than I can't switch out the AirPods at all for the JVC. So if you have somebody that wants AirPods, however they can't afford AirPods and you can't afford them, I would go ahead and opt into getting the JVCs. Now there is other brands out there that offer the same product. However, the JVCs are the most unique to me personally, just because they've been around much more. I would get JVC before I get Skull Candy, honestly, and that's just a preference right there. And this also because, like I said, JVC has a lot of products and they've been here many more years. So that's my honest review of the JVC parents, or the tall version, whatever people want to call them, whatever. But make sure you guys go ahead and check out the other videos as well. Look at the minis, and let me know if you prefer to have the mini version or either have the tall version or the parents. Just let me know down below. But please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because we are not done at all. We definitely got 10 more videos to do. We got at least about I would say 5 more technology videos, and then the rest just may be family vlogs. But until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.